Hey guys, Chris from Flow Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to install our splitter kit using this i20N version 2. Let's get into it. Before we get into it, let's go through the parts and the inclusions and how it goes onto the car. So first thing is there's two finishes. So the splitter kit comes in a nice gloss finish, also comes in a textured finish, which is actually really good because it's scratch resistant, number one, and it matches all the matte accents on the car quite well. There's also a range of accessories, so you can add on winglets as an option. There's extensions if you want to make your splitter look wider, suit wheels and whatnot. Also, all our hardware is stainless steel, including the mounting brackets, which mount onto the lower crash bar, which I'll run into a bit later. So with that out the way, let's get installing. First thing you're gonna do is just take off the under tray. Now this is just temporary, just so we can get access behind the bar. Tools you need, I've got a pry tool, screwdriver is also fine, and I've got a 10mm socket to take off a couple of bolts. The next thing I'm going to do is just to dry fit the splitter. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to hold it up and I'll clamp it down. If you haven't got clamps, just get your mates to hold it in place. This is just so we can mark out the holes later and I can adjust it as I need to before actually drilling. So I've got the splitter on the car just loosely. Now it's time for alignment. So if you look at the splitter, you see this pocket here? We've machined out a little footprint of the corner of the bumper. So all you got to do is go to the car, find this section of the bumper that sinks into the splitter. The corner lines up, it only lines up one way. The back line of the splitter will line it with the back line of the bar. Check the fitment on the other side. If that's good, then you're ready for drilling.
We have something hip that we want to present to you.
Okay, so at this point, you should be pretty happy with the fitment. So you line up both corners, check the back line, make sure everything needs to be where it is. Now ready to drill. So I'm gonna use a 8mm drill bit. The bolts are an M6, so it's a little bit bigger. Just pop out all the holes underneath and then you'll be ready for your nut and bolt combos. Now I'm going to put in my nut and bolt combos. There's 4 here and 4 there. I'm just going to leave the middle ones for now. But one thing just to check, refer to the diagram. There are different lengths. So the end ones are a little bit shorter. The ones towards the center are a little bit longer. So I've got everything loosely fitted up. Now I'm ready to slide in our brackets. Now this is a secret to the kit. And you've realized by now that the bumpers, they're very thin, they're very loose. So you can't really secure anything to it. So we've come up with these little mounting brackets, there's 4 of them, and they hold up from 4 points in the middle. So how do you get it on? What you gotta do is locate the lower crash bar, which is this here. The end's there. So what you wanna do is just grab it, tuck it behind, and slowly but surely shimmy it across like so until you get to the mounting points, and then you can put your bolt through it and then it'll hold it up. So I'll put in the brackets, got the bolts in. At this point, all the bolts are still loose. I'm just gonna check fitment one more time, and then if I'm happy with it, I'm just gonna tighten everything, put the under tray back on, which is just the reverse of what we did at the beginning. Let's get into it. One unique thing about our splitter kit is the level of customization. So we have extensions and winglets. You can run them independently or both together. This just simply means if you want that extra aggression, you can put this on. But not only that, you can actually adjust them because it's all slotted. So you can put these on, put these here, you can slide them around. And the best part is the hardware and the fitting locations are independent of the splitter and the car, which means you can put them on and off and adjust as you need to. To install them is easy. Just grab the hardware supplied, locate the brass splitter underneath and bolt them up. That's the splitter kit all installed with accessories and our chassis mounts. And trust me when I say, these are really strong because you can hang off it. I hope you found this video useful and thanks for watching.